Abracadabra, abracadoo, let's see what this magic clarinet can do.
I think I really like the magic clarinet half, the first half. I think that's really original because, as was his aim, there's not much out there for kind of year 1, year 2, and it's got a really good balance of like short bits of music, which are focused, and then plenty of fun and like silliness and like theatricalness.
The workshop is in 3 sections. The first section is we each individually introduce our instruments to the children. It's amazing seeing their faces as they listen to new sounds and experience live music for the first time. The next part is probably my favourite part of the workshop. It is an interactive concert almost that tells a story of we travel around the world. So my magic clarinet takes us all to different places, and the culmination of this is the final aspect of the project, which we get stuck on the moon, and so we split into groups and the children have to write their own music to build a musical rocket back down to Earth, thinking of the sounds rockets make and trying to replicate them into music, which is so much fun for the children to get involved in.
Good, well done year 1. Okay, so now we've been working super hard building our bits of the rockets, so now we're going to put it all together and fly, hopefully, back down to...
My favourite part of the project is when we go into little groups and we do our little improvisation part.